Hello YouTube! Today we will try to look at Flare mods. So this tutorial will be for Linux and for Windows. Let's start with Linux, where this is probably very easy for you because you already know how to install software. So usually you will install Flare from your package management, and I think that in most mainstream distributions there is Flare. Usually it will be two packages. It will be Flare Engine and Flare Game, so you have to install both to have basic mods, or we can say basic game, and the engine itself. If you are at the distro where there is no Flare but you have a Flatpak, you can go. I don't have it open, so let's open Flat Hub. I cannot write. Okay, Flat Hub. So I don't know if you ever heard about that. This is a Red Hat project. They want to bring software to any Linux distributions. So you can find Flare there and install it. There is also instruction how to do that. So you basically have to need to have Flatpak, and then you can just Flatpak install this Flare and then run it like this. But hopefully, usually it will be not necessary to do so. Okay, let's jump into the Windows. Okay, not here. Okay, and here it is very easy. You probably know how to do it. You just basically download the Flare, download installer, this first one, engine plus game. I have already installed it, so I will try to run it again, but probably it will. Oh no, I can reinstall it. So yeah, it's basically as easy as that. I'm not launching Flare now, and I'm showing it to you because of one thing. If you want to mod Flare, you have to put your mods in some directories, or in some directory, or in chosen directory. And for Windows, there are two directories where you can put it. It is global directory, so in C program files, 32-bit version of this, there is a Flare directory and mods subdirectory, and as you can see, default mods are lying there. There is also second directory, which is a little bit more hidden. It is in C users, the name of your profile, app data, which is hidden directory, roaming, Flare, and user data. And in user data you can see two subdirectories. So here are your saves, and here you can put your mods. The difference is that this directory, of course, doesn't require administrator privileges, so maybe if you don't have it, it's the better one. But from other point of view, if you want to enable your mod for everyone on this PC, then it is better to put it here. Okay, and just to be sure that you know how to do the same thing in Linux, you can see that mods are in your profile, in local subdirectory, share, Flare, and there is mod directory. And as you can see, I have a few mods already there. So let's run our Flare game, and let's take a look how to enable those mods. So you have to go to configuration, and on the mod page there are mods, and when you look there, by default it will be just like that. So Empyrean Campaign will be enabled, and then you can throw some other mods there, or you can disable Empyrean Campaign and put something completely different there. So as you can see, for example, you can choose centered stat bars. If you like this option, you will have your stat bars down there. And for example, I have Empyrean Impossible, which is let's call it like hardcore mode for Empyrean Campaign. So it is much harder. I didn't play it a lot, but it looks very interesting, let's say it. And from the same author, which name I forget, I'm sorry about that. I will put some links down below so you can see his name and links to repositories and so on. His mod Fallen Kingdom, for example, you can just enable it like here, and yeah, I have, okay, let's do it like that, and now you can play Fallen Kingdom mod. So this is, I think, everything about you need to know about not maybe modding your game, because we are not creating mods, but changing it so you can play some mods. Nowadays there is not much of them, but I believe that there will be more. So thank you for attention, and let's see each other in another Flare video.